Hi guys, today I'm doing a review of this wagon that we got from Amazon. Stay until end of the video so you can see and decide if this wagon is a perfect purchase for you. My kids, they go to soccer, and I was looking for wagon that we can put in the trunk. It's not too bulky, just a compact one, and we always need to bring so much gear when we go to soccer practice or games. Also, we go to camping every month, and then we go to the beach, and this wagon, we can take it with us. Let me show you how you can unfold it. It's very easy. And then when you decide to fold it again and put it in your car, you just lift here and it's done. The first thing I like is the handle. You can adjust it from here, then you can move it up and down, and then you can change the angle. Also, the wagon, it can fit up to 420 pounds, and I will measure it right now. It's 32 inches by 18, and this one without the wheel it's 12, with the wheel it's 22. One thing I really like is the large wheels. They move smoothly on grass, on dirt, even on sand. And also I like that the front wheels, they rotate 360 degrees, so it's easy to steer. As you can see, it rolls smoothly and feels very sturdy. The steel frame gives it a solid feel even when carrying heavier items. The wagon is perfect for camping trips, beach days, soccer games, picnics, even grocery runs. Instead of carrying bags, chairs, coolers, and equipment separately, you can load everything into the wagon and make a single trip. I think this is a great option if you're looking for heavy-duty wagon with a large capacity, big wheels, easy steering, and compact storage. It's practical, easy to use, and make transporting your gear much easier.